Have you ever faced a problem that seemed impossible to solve? You're not alone. A study found that 70% of executives consider critical thinking skills important when hiring. Yet, only 6% of adults possess advanced problem-solving abilities. That's where critical thinking comes in. Critical thinking is more than a buzzword. It's a powerful skill that can transform how we tackle problems. Let's dive into it and see how you can harness it. So what is critical thinking? It's the ability to analyze and evaluate information, arguments, and ideas objectively and systematically. For example, imagine you need to organize a major event with a tight budget and strict deadlines. Sounds tough, right? But by using critical thinking, you can analyze resources, evaluate strategies, and make the best decisions. So how do you apply critical thinking? Let's break it down into 3 steps. First, define the problem. Start by understanding its symptoms and root causes. For example, are your budget issues due to unnecessary expenses or poor planning? Identifying the main problem ensures that you address the right issues, allowing for focused and effective solution development. Next, gather and analyze information. Talk to stakeholders, review existing data, and evaluate processes. Look for patterns and connections. For example, you might discover that negotiating with vendors or using volunteers can save time and cut costs. Finally, develop and evaluate solutions. Brainstorm with your team to foster creativity and innovation. Assess the feasibility, risks, and benefits of each option. In our event example, prioritizing essential expenses and finding cost-effective alternatives could be the key to staying within your budget. By going through this systematic process, you will find a breakthrough. After days of problem solving, you suddenly spot a creative solution that was there all along. That's the power of critical thinking, finding innovative solutions and turning obstacles into opportunities. Critical thinking goes beyond problem solving. It's a mindset that helps us overcome challenges and achieve our goals. By cultivating this skill, you can navigate life's uncertainties with clarity and resilience. Share your experiences with critical thinking in the comments below. Let's start a conversation and learn from each other. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Together, we can sharpen our minds and conquer the impossible. You've got this.